warm up your hands.
I'm gonna go hang out by the fire.
Have fun.
That was a good call, fire.
Looks a lot better with those knees.
Who? Oh, Jesse?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, those legs are nice. Where'd you get those? Maynard?
Maynard, yeah.
Yeah.
Those are Maynard's old knees. He jingles still.
Jingle.
Chris has to fight someone else, I believe. He's trying to get out. Can we get some swords for these guys to I won't be there. I got my gun. I know, it's like, God, I gotta get out of here. Jesse, let him use your sword or something for offhand. Just something. We'll help you get stuff once you decide this is what you want to do.
How's the loaner armor fitting? Is it fitting pretty good? It looks good. Yeah. Yay! Oh, I have to take a picture of it and send it to Llewellyn. Yeah, but I'll take a picture of that and send it to Llewellyn so he can see it, how it looks.
Is there anything you needed?
No, I think we're good. Yeah, I haven't.
Do you have an extra pair of gloves?
I can check and see if they have one in the house.
Yeah. But yeah, other than that, I think we're good.
If you do, thank you.
This actually works perfectly. It's missing the finger, so you can still run the camcorder, and you can use this on the other hand.
Thanks. Okay. I have like little fingers, so
Yeah. And then
I have to keep filming because it's Glenn. Ow, that hurt. Thumb, thumb. Thumb is not where the thumb's supposed to be. Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome.
I'm absolutely getting frostbite on my fingers.
Yeah.
I think everybody
I have
is.
frostbite in one of these fingers. It's right there on the tip.
I have them on my pinky.
Yeah.
I'm weird. I actually have them on my thighs.
I think here and there I kind of miss them here and there. Sorry. I was trying to put gloves on.
But
Yeah.
he told me this camcorder, so I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to record. But
I just
I'm
record
recording.
everything.
Yeah, him fighting, and then they put it on YouTube and stuff. And
Just record
analyze it
everybody.
afterwards.
That's what I always did for Matt, so.
I don't know how good the quality is. If I would have remembered my camera, it would have been really good quality.
I don't have a video camera
my
anymore.